Schulten, and I'm a chiropractor in York. I'm going to tell you briefly about an event we have coming up. So it's on Sunday, the 16th of February from 10 until 2. There is no need to book. It is an open house, and we will be giving out goodie bags to the first 10 people who attend. What is going to happen on the day is you'll arrive and you'll fill out a very short questionnaire on what's going on and maybe some complaints that you may be experiencing. And then I will check your posture on what we call a spinal analysis machine, which is a posture analysis machine. We're looking for really just level of hips, shoulders, neck, just see how your spine moves, and then briefly discuss what's going on. We see a number of different patients, ranging from maybe low back pain, sciatica, headaches, migraines, sports injuries. We see quite a lot of people who love being active and they may have an injury or an ache or pain which is stopping them from doing what they love, whether it be sport, lifting their kids, playing with their kids, or anything like that. So we'd love to see you there. Again, it's Sunday, February 16th from 10 until 2. There is a link to get a ticket. Tickets are free, but it just gives us an indication how many people will be attending on the day. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you on Sunday the 16th.